Welcome to our session on reading fluency. Reading fluency is all about reading smoothly, quickly, and with expression. When you read fluently, it makes the story come alive. Are you ready to become fluent readers? Let's get started. Book. A book. A blue book. This is a blue book. Bag. A bag. A pink bag. This is a pink bag. Flower. A flower. Pink flower. This is a pink flower. Apple. An apple. A red apple. This is a red apple. Goat. A goat. A brown goat. This is a brown goat. Dog. A dog. An orange dog. This is an orange dog. Spider. A spider. A black spider. This is a black spider. Duck. A duck. A yellow duck. This is a yellow duck. Dove. A dove. A white dove. This is a white dove. Nail. My nail. My big nail. This is my big nail. Kite. My kite. My big kite. This is my big kite. Monkeys. My monkey. My big monkey. This is my big monkey. GIF. My GIF. My big GIF. This is me big GIF. Tree. My tree. My big tree. This is my big tree. Ball. My ball. My round ball. This is my round ball. Parrot. My parrot. My green parrot. This is my green parrot. Bee. My bee. My busy bee. This is my busy bee. Frog. My frog. My green frog. This is my green frog. Car. My car. My red car. This is my red car. Fish. My fish. My yellow fish.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.